why high-end offers are much better than promoting a low-end offer. With programs such as loans, private jet charters, yacht rentals, online casinos, luxury items such as watches, designer handbags and designer jewellery, travel, home design, and many other high-end offers, it can make this quite a lucrative sector. It takes the same amount of effort to promote a luxury item as it does to promote a $5 ebook. So think about it. You only need to make a few sales to be in serious profit. Quite surprisingly too, it has been proven that high-end offers have a much lower refund rate than a $5 ebook. For example, those that have the money to buy a luxury item don't tend to do it on a whim, so they usually tend to see the product through to completion after a little bit of research online. Remember, it's up to you to provide that research. So if you prefer to follow the money over passion, then any of the niches that we've covered here will be a great one to get into. They have an endless stream of customers, high-end ticket offers, and can be very lucrative. A few examples within the luxury niche include online poker, designer handbags, and many, many more. So now you know which are the profitable niches and related sub-niches to set up an affiliate marketing business. And we know that there are desperate people for solutions and willing to spend money on them. I hope this has helped you make your final decision. While many people are looking for a miracle solution, they often aren't willing to put in the effort. However, those serious about finding a solution to their problems are willing to spend and spend on multiple products until finding something that's right for them. You won't run out of affiliate products to promote or people to promote to. The world is large enough for us all to have a slice of the affiliate marketing cake, as new people are coming onto the internet every single day looking for solutions to their problems. Your work as an affiliate marketer is to help those people, provide the research for them, and recommend solutions based on your own experiences. Now make a decision on your niche and go for it.